Hello, Galaxy! I'm Chris Pirillo, and you're watching the Locker Room Daily Reporter, TLDR for short. And tonight, I'm going to be unboxing this, which is like a very heavy device. Extremely heavy. I can't believe I need a support for my arm here because it's so heavy. It's an iPhone Pro Plus Premium Max Ultra 13 something, and it's good. The box, it's thin. Seriously, I mean, I think this thing weighs more than I do. Is it vegan? No, if it was vegan, it'd let you know. But look at this thing. Look at it. Just look at this box. It's got an Apple logo on it. How many other boxes out there do you know have an Apple logo on them? I'll wait. By the way, I'm streaming this unboxing live on Twitch as I do a Twitch broadcast every night, 6 p.m. Pacific. You never really know what I'm going to be doing there because, you know, it's me. And I'm constantly talking about stuff like this. There's got to be a lot of stuff in this box. It's heavy. It's heavy, Doc. Is it from the future? No, it's not. It's from the present. It's the first new iPhone that I've had since the iPhone 8 Plus Premium Pro Ultra Platinum from a few years ago, pre-notch. It's still an abomination. And yes, someone did ask if I was going to be drinking unboxing juice. As those who've been watching me live tonight could attest, I've been on it. I've been also laying down a few rants. So we've got this. And the thing that I have to give to Apple, because I've already given them a lot, given that I have one of these. This is something that I procured on my own volition. I'm sure they know who I am, and I'm sure they will never communicate with me directly or indirectly. Or maybe they say things about me, I don't know. But the thing that I happen to appreciate, I will say this, about this box, is that it's got pull tabs, and I like that. Kind of reminds me of the old beer cans, though I wasn't young enough to drink the beer back in the day. I remember the pull tabs, right? So maybe there's beer inside. Beer and wine in an unboxing video. Let's find out. There's one strip. And there's the other strip. I've now stripped for you. Oh, it's not that kind of live video? Guess not. All right. This is the test. Are we going to get a box fart? Box fart! No box fart! But I gotta tell you, it is skinny. It's lost some weight. Is it okay? Is it healthy? Is it dying? It's lost weight. Seriously. No box fart. They've completely eliminated the box fart. That wasn't even a selling point. If you go over to the page and you scroll up and down, scroll, hopefully no drop frames. Scroll. No box fart. All right. We've got yet another tab. They love their tab. Again, another Back to the Future reference. I almost said Bach to the Future. That's another beer. Did I mention I was drinking wine? No, but you know I love doing it. Whining, that is. And whining. So here we go. Holy cow! I'm sorry, I'm using my optical zoom here. Yeah, those are cheese and crackers. Look at these things. I'm not joking. My iris is smaller than these lenses. Seriously, I'm not joking. I have very tiny irises. It's a thing. They're brown because I'm full of it. But man, look at that. Look at that. Freaking huge. Gigantic. Oh. Huh. Well, I guess I got the white screen edition. Better than a blue screen edition, yeah. Well, this isn't the important part of the unboxing. The important part is showcasing what's inside. No adapter, because, let's face it, everyone's already adapted. We don't need yet another adapter, so gotta hand it to Apple. I mean, not just my money. I already handed that to Apple. I got another lightning cable. Really? What year is it? Let me check. Oh, it's definitely a year that we should be on another kind of USB connection. All right, in the rest, there was something right there. I swear, there was some. Rewind the vid. There was something right freaking there. I'm telling you, there was. It was. Oh my God, that thing looks like an iPod. Look at that. It looks. I wonder if something happens. Is this like an Easter egg? Did anybody else point? It's a freaking iPod. You know the classic. Like, look, it looks like a freaking iPod. I'm trying to dial it because that's what you used to have to do. And like iPods, you know, you could be dialing the number like rotary dial, like that's my kind of phone, right? I still have nightmares about rotary dial. Look at that! It looks like an iPod. That's it. That's the rest of the box. And now we get to the exciting part of the unboxing: the stickers. Nothing in the container, and we have a sticker. A sticker? One? Really? Just one sticker? What am I supposed to do with just one sticker? One! Just one! I remember the day when they came with two! Now it's just one! Got a little, pinpricker thing that you stab people with. Right here, can you see it? Let me hold it up in front of my shirt, and you can see it. Look at. You gotta supply your own sound effects. Back in the day, these used to come with sound effects on their own, but again, I gotta cut back, you know? No box farts, one sticker, supplying your own sound effects. There's that. Alright, back to this thing. Right here. Obviously, I got the big edition. That happens to be in a neutral lack of color, because it's like me. Very, very lack of color. And it's got the logo. Oh. The logo is also there, because you know that's it. That's the whole game right there. The logo. This is the device, and I swear these lenses are almost bigger than the logo itself. Almost, but not quite. So I'm guessing that with this tab, ooh. Did we get a little ASMR there? There's this little sticker that keeps the screen clean. I don't have, like, you know, skins or screen protectors or anything like that. This could be reused, by the way, to take lint off your shirt, if you are so inclined. This is what I got. I'm going to be replacing my iPhone 8 Pro Premium Plus Platinum Ultra Professional with it. I will be doing first impressions. I'll be doing a review, but I can tell you right now, with software, Apple, they're already saying that they didn't optimize the animations the first release, because, you know, I don't know, what do you expect from a company that controls both the hardware and the software? It's not like they could see that problem ahead of time. Oh, it can be fixed in software. Don't ever buy a product upon a promise of what it's going to be in the future. Buy it for what it is today. Period. End of story. Because I've been hearing those kinds of excuses since iOS 7. This will be replacing my old iPhone. Do not plan on using it as a phone. I plan on using it as a camera, but honestly, even in reviews, I've heard that the Pixel series of cameras could top this. So stay tuned for initial impressions. Stay tuned for a review. More to come. here, and of course live on Twitch every night at 6 p.m. Pacific.